Format output string, right alignment. I am processing a text file containing coordinates x, y, z. Every line is delimited into 3 items using. After processing data, I need to write coordinates back in another text file so as items in each column are aligned right, as well as the input file. Every line is composed of the coordinates. Is there any manipulator like std column settle, etc. in C++ allowing to set the width and alignment?
Try this approach using the newer str.format syntax. And here's how to do it using the old % syntax, useful for older versions of Python that don't support str.format.
It can be achieved by using readjust.
You can align it like that. Where is greater than means align to right, and 8 is the width for specific value. And here is a proof. PS asterisk line means the line list will be unpacked, so .format asterisk line works similarly to .format line 0, line 1, line 2, assuming line is a list with only 3 elements.
I really enjoy a new literal string interpolation in Python 3.6+. Reference, PEP 498, literal string interpolation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.